she's gonna sing a song. मैं तबला बजाने वाली
Pallavi will sing and we will do
Do, what? Blow this off, dude. Sing. Pallu baby.
परदेसी परदेसी जाना
How do you feel, dude?
Feeling happy.
Feeling happy to leave Hyderabad and us?
No, that day
Are happy to cut the cake, is it? Okay.
Should have got a cake, but but because of Bindu.
No, it's okay. It looks like a cake, no?
What matters is the intention.
Yeah. See? Just shut up.
Dude, say it out, dude. Last day, nothing will happen.
What do you say?
Say, Bindu, you didn't even bought a cake.
Yeah, Bindu, what is this? Where's my cake?
This is your Don't, Ravi. Why will you do this? Very
So
bad.
say something about me, each one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say something
Say
about.
something.
IIT guy.
I will also come.
IIM guy.
जल्दी काटो ना
But actually, no, he dances very well with me. Not me dancing with him.
और कुछ
And wish you all the best.
Okay, say something about yourself.
say something.
Okay, change, bro. Say something nice to
Hello,
me.
wait. First, let me give him a cake now. Hello.
This guy, as you know, like he used to come regularly to the salsa and
Fine.
he cracked the IIM, so it's not a like small thing.
IIT क्रैक किया वो तो तू भूल गया
अरे IIM
अरे
मतलब क्या
फोकस
है
ऑन मी ना फोकस ऑन मी
Say.
IIT क्रैक किया वो तो तू भूल गया बैक
It's IIM. अरे इसको नहीं.
Ravi,
अरे
get
it's
to teach him.
IIM.
1 minute.
Okay, let him have it.
क्रैक IIT Kharagpur right
See, because I came in first, I'm getting it first, guys. Thank you. You want Ravi? It's very tasty.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay.
टेस्टी हां पूरा एक पीस मेरा
Okay, something good about Mati since he's going away.
थैंक्स बेबी
All the best, guys.
All the best, Mati. Pallavi.
Pallavi baby.
I
एक गाना गा दे.
understand in IIMs the ratio of boys and girls is pretty less, but then try to manage. We know you're very good at picking chicks, so all the best.
Shiva.
All the best, bro. IIM.
Oh, Shiva is there?
Heju.
Shiva is there.
have fun don't stop dancing and be a good boy enjoy
Something about yourself, bro.
I'm an innocent guy.
Who says?
Don't say such stupid
Is
things.
it certified?
Yeah,
Who certified it?
it's a CCNA certification course.
CCNA and innocent? Oh my god. Hired babe. Thank
So
you.
thank you for this. It was nice to know you guys. I'll be missing you a lot.
Finally, he said he's going to miss us a lot. Wait. Okay, now Ravi's turn.
Yeah.
Okay, Ravi. Tell something about Mati.
I mean,
Go on.
I don't know what to say.
Don't
It's
say
okay.
anything bad,
Carry on.
man. I know.
It's part of
Teju, listen, huh?
being part of friendship. There's always ups and downs. You know, see, there are a lot of good memories which I had with you.
Yeah. Okay, you're looking at him and talking, is it? Okay.
So come like this, no? Come
Okay,
like
no,
this.
no,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
take
from
like
here.
this.
Okay.
Okay.
There are a lot of good memories I had with you. And you're like one of the closest person.
Can't hear.
And everything is good. And a few things which you know.
That's fine.
Apart from that, you're like amazing person to be with. Except like few things.
It's okay.
And,
Next.
Like 2 years.
All the best.
Work well, study well, and you have your future.
crying Pallavi please focus on Pallavi she's
Crying. Oh my god.
And all the best, bro. Hope you reach great heights. And we'll be happy to know about your future, how you're progressing. Do stay in touch.
Oh my god. Wish you all the best, Mati. And don't forget salsa. But just because of salsa, don't try to have so many chicks that I am dancing for salsa and bachata. I am big. Actually, you know, they let you. So you're going to have a gala time right there.
Let me show this.
Anyway, all the best.
I thought, okay.
I know you. I know.
I thought a lot about this. I've included all,
So pretty, no?
all the stupid things that you did. But thanks to the printer guy, he spoiled it a big time.
See, first thing is we do not know that you're going to come today.
Okay.
And you are like, you know, oh,
And
I
you are
don't
like-
know, I'm not sure. I asked
Huh.
him. I'm not sure whether I'm going to come. What a stupid answer you. Sorry. So, so we do not even know.
So in this, few things which you have to focus is like anti-selfie tablets. Yeah, I'd say.
Okay.
And Mati broken
Broken heart.
and Mati repairing. And one pic which I always like is you, me and Bindu.
Ah, amazing pic.
You remember that like we had a nice moment when Bindu car broke off.
But thank you that day for you both actually.
And beauty is always center.
Yeah.
As you know.
What is that? Why are you laughing by the way? Sorry? This is about Mati, not about
And,
me, please.
In this, there's only selfies.
Okay.
The few pictures which I got, which I clicked.
Okay.
Else everything is all selfies.
So photo credit goes to me.
And some to me as well.
Okay.
Okay, now go on. Tell me, how do you miss me, Ravi, Teju, one by one? Go on, start.
Okay. Be the first person I got close to in
Yeah,
the
like-
gang.
like
We met in Goa.
Oh, okay.
Aga I know before. We met in Goa. So he is someone I shared everything about. He is one person I have told everything about. So I always valued the friendship with him.
Then why did you fight with him?
I never used to fight with him, but there could be misunderstanding. It doesn't mean that
Okay, okay.
See, those
I
are
always
part-
try to patch it up with
It's
him.
okay, don't cry.
See,
That's
those
fine.
are. It should
Don't
happen.
cry.
I mean, if you are in friendship,
Yeah.
It has to
it
happen.
huh. I'm just waiting for the day when I fight with Bindu.
I didn't fight with you, Ravi, yet.
I'm just waiting for the day.
But
Seriously?
you may not know this, but whenever like I always back you up with anyone says bad or something, I always try to be back with you. I never-
About me? Do you support me?
Bindu, no one says anything bad about you.
That's so sweet, now.
Yeah, you're like everyone's sweetheart, no?
Because I'm a mommy.
So you're like so cool. You don't look your age, even though you're 38.
Yeah.
I told that.
Even though you have a 11
Why you are hitting me?
I'm not 38, man. I'm 40.
Okay, even though you're 40.
Yeah.
And you have a 15-year-old
I just cut
son.
a cake.
Yeah. So you're like so sweet.
Thanks, Madhi.
Yeah.
And you have a blast at IIM and do well, study well, and get into a job like, you know, nowadays they are. Nowadays they are, salary from IIM out it's like 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 3
Oh,
lakh, 5
okay.
lakh.
Oh,
So wish you all the best.
okay.
5 lakh
Earn
per
5
month.
lakh per month, yeah.
5 lakh per month. I don't know how practical that is possible, but I'm pretty sure if you can get around 12 to 15. And
What is 12
okay,
to 15?
lakhs. Dude, see, money is not important.
Yeah.
It's like profile where you're going, and
Yeah.
you know what all you didn't, how much you thought